Welcome back to SaaS Beast Pro. Today we're diving into 7 Suno AI settings you need to change for better music so you can unlock the full creative power of this tool. We'll break it down step by step. Now let's get started. Number 1, enable custom mode. This setting is crucial because it lets you take full control over your music instead of relying on random presets. It allows you to shape lyrics, style, and mood to match your exact vision. Alright, let's do it. Step 1. Log into your Suno AI account. Make sure you're signed in, otherwise you won't be able to access the customization options. Step 2. Head to the Create screen and click the Create button. This is where all the core music generation happens. Step 3. At the top of the Create interface, toggle on Custom Mode. This unlocks the advanced customization panel that gives you more freedom with your track. Step 4. Fill in the lyrics field by either pasting your own or letting Suno generate them for you. This ensures the song reflects your creative input or gives you inspiration. Step 5. Adjust style, genre, mood, and instruments. These fields help tailor the track to your exact vibe, whether it's upbeat, emotional, or experimental. Step 6. Add a title for your song. A title not only organizes your creations, but also sets the tone for the final piece. Step 7. Once everything looks good, click Create to generate your customized song. Suno will process your settings and deliver a track that truly feels like yours. Number 2. Apply structural tags for sections. Structural tags help Suno AI clearly separate your song parts, ensuring smooth transitions and a professional structure. This makes your music more cohesive and easier to control creatively. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Suno AI and log into your account. Then head to the Track Creation panel by clicking on the Create option from the left side menu. This is where you'll set up your custom song structure. Step 2. Choose Custom Mode or Prompt Mode, since structural tags work best when you're crafting a detailed prompt. This gives you more control over how your song sections are arranged. Step 3. Write your lyrics directly into the text box and use section tags in square brackets, like intro, verse 1, chorus, bridge, and outro. This keeps every part of your song clearly organized. Step 4. Add optional musical instructions inside or under each tag, such as instruments or moods. For example, you can write chorus, energetic EDM drop with heavy bass, or bridge, slow emotional piano. Step 5. Click on Create and generate your track. Then check if the output feels structured enough. If it doesn't, refine by adding stronger section headers or clearer musical notes to guide Suno AI. Number 3. Specify instruments in your prompt. This step ensures your AI-generated music sounds exactly how you imagine, by clearly defining the instruments and their roles. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. List the instruments you want in your track. Be specific and mention any details like tone, style, or effects to guide the AI. Step 2. Indicate the role of each instrument if needed. Specify whether it's leading, supporting, or rhythmic to give the AI a clear arrangement. Step 3. Combine your instrument choices with the genre, tempo, and feel of the song. This creates a cohesive sound that matches your intended mood. Step 4. Use descriptive adjectives for each instrument. Words like punchy, mellow, bright, or distorted communicate the exact vibe you want. Step 5. Avoid vague descriptions. Instead of nice guitar, specify qualities like electric guitar with reverb and delay to ensure the AI interprets your vision accurately. Number 4. Utilize parentheses for Adlibs. Adding Adlibs in parentheses makes your lyrics feel more dynamic and alive. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Write your main lyric normally before adding any Adlibs. This keeps the structure clean and ensures your core message is clear. Step 2. Add Adlibs inside parentheses right after the lyric. This helps listeners instantly recognize them as background accents rather than main lyrics. Step 3. Keep your Adlibs short and punchy, ideally 1 and 3 words. Quick bursts like yeah or woo land better than long phrases. Step 4. Experiment with placement. At the end for hype, midline for bounce, or at the start for a call-out effect. Each position shifts the energy of the lyric. Step 5. Balance your usage by placing Adlibs only on emotional peaks or rhythmic gaps. Overusing them can clutter your track instead of enhancing it. Number 5. Add descriptive style words to prompt. Using descriptive style words gives your music depth and character, ensuring the AI captures not just the genre, but the unique mood and vibe you're aiming for. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Start with your base idea by choosing a genre or theme, such as K-pop upbeat dance track. This sets the foundation of your prompt. Step 2. Add style adjectives that shape the mood, like bright, energetic, dreamy, cinematic, or nostalgic. These words guide the AI in building a more distinct sound. Step 3. Blend your genre with these adjectives naturally. Instead of just K-pop track, use K-pop upbeat dance track, bright and energetic with a dreamy vibe. Step 4. Layer in emotional tone or atmosphere words, such as hopeful, dramatic, soothing, or mysterious. This helps fine-tune the overall feeling of the track. Step 5. Optional. Pair your descriptive words with instrument tags for precision. For example, energetic pop with bright synths, punchy drums, and dreamy vocal layers. Number 6. Extend the clip for a full song. Extending a song in Suno AI ensures your track feels complete and polished, allowing repeated sections or added transitions to enhance the listening experience without losing flow. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Suno AI account at sununo.com and access your music library. This is where all your previously generated songs are stored. Step 2. Select the song you want to extend and click the 3-dot icon next to it. This opens the menu with remixing and editing options. Step 3. Choose the Remix and Edit option, then select Extend. This feature allows you to lengthen your song by repeating sections or adding new parts. Step 4. Adjust the style, title, or workspace settings. These edits customize the extended version to fit your desired sound and branding. Step 5. Click Remix to finalize the extension. Note that this will consume credits and Suno AI will generate the extended version automatically. Step 6. Wait for the process to finish and review your extended track. Make any additional tweaks if necessary to ensure a seamless flow. Number 7. Mix genres and time periods for uniqueness, e.g. cyberpunk opera. Blending genres and time periods creates a distinct, memorable sound that stands out. It allows Suno AI to generate complex, layered music that feels fresh and imaginative. Let's do it. Step 1. Go to the Create tab in Suno and activate Custom Mode. This opens separate fields for lyrics and style of music, which are essential for detailed genre blending prompts. Step 2. In the Style of Music field, describe the sonic foundation with evocative language. Combine genres, moods, and time periods, e.g., orchestral opera with cinematic dystopian synths for a cyberpunk opera. Step 3. Use the Lyrics field to add meta tags specifying instruments and effects. Assign unique sounds to different sections, like operatic vocals with synths or glitch effects, to merge eras and styles. Step 4. Organize your track using intro, verse and chorus, and bridge tags. This helps guide Suno AI in creating a coherent flow while allowing for complex, layered compositions. Step 5. Specify vocal types using descriptive tags like operatic female soprano or dramatic male baritone. This ensures the AI delivers the intended emotional and stylistic impacts. Step 6. Now click on the Create option. Your video will be created in just a few moments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI music tips.